Example on circle. Example. In the given figure, segment EF is the diameter of circle and segment DF is tangent of circle. Radius of circle is R. Radius of circle is R. Then prove that D into G is equal to 4R square. In the given figure, H is center of circle, segment EF is diameter of circle, segment DF is tangent of circle, point G on segment ED. Then we have to prove that D into G, DE into G is equal to 4R square. Solution. Draw segment GF. We first draw segment GF. First we have to draw segment GF. Draw segment GF. Therefore, angle EGF is equal to 90 degree. Angle EGF is equal to 90 degree. Segment EF is diameter. Endpoints of diameter makes angle on point G. Point G is on circle. Therefore, angle EGF is 90 degree. Angle EGF is equal to 90 degree. Give equation number first. Reason is property of diameter. Therefore, angle DFE is equal to 90 degree. Angle DFE is equal to 90 degree. Segment DF is tangent. Point DF is touching point of tangent, and segment HF is radius. Therefore, angle DFE makes from tangent radius. Therefore, angle DFE is equal to 90 degree. Give equation number second. Reason is tangent radius theorem. Tangent radius theorem. Now, in triangle GEF and triangle FED, in triangle GEF and triangle FED, we have to take two triangles, triangle GEF and triangle FED. In these two triangles, angle E is common angle. Angle E congruent angle E. Reason is common angle. Then, in first triangle, angle G congruent to angle F. Angle in first triangle angle G congruent to second triangle's angle F. Reason is each 90 degree. Each 90 degree from equation first and second. Each 90 degree from equation first and second. Therefore, these two triangles are similar. Therefore, triangle GEF similar to triangle FED. Reason is AA test of similarity. These two triangles are similar. Therefore, their corresponding sides are in proportion. G upon FE is equal to EF upon ED. EF upon D is equal to GF upon FD. Corresponding sides are in proportion. Reason is CSST, corresponding sides of similar triangle. Now in proof, D into G is equal to 4R square. D into G is equal to 4R square. Therefore, neglect this ratio. Therefore, by cross multiplication, D into G is equal to FE into FE. We neglect this ratio from these two ratios. By cross multiplication, D into G is equal to FE into FE. Therefore, D into G is equal to FE square. FE into FE square. Therefore, D into G is equal to 2R bracket square. In the figure, FE is a diameter. Diameter is 2 times radius and radius of circle is R. Therefore, we have to put FE is equal to 2R, that is 2R bracket square. Reason is FE is equal to 2R. Therefore, D into G is equal to square of 2R, that is 4R square. Therefore, D into G is equal to 4R square. D into G is equal to 4R square. Hence, proved. Please subscribe my channel. Also likes my videos.